How to add a table in Adobe Acrobat. Today, we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add a table in Adobe Acrobat. Adding a table in Adobe Acrobat helps you organize your information neatly. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, open the PDF file where you want to add a table. Once the file is open, navigate to the left side of the screen. Here you can see 4 options. Among the 4 options, simply tap on All Tools over here, tap on it. Over here you can see an option for Edit a PDF. Beside that, you can also see an Start Site, which means that it is only available for premium user. However, I'm not a premium user, which make me unable to add a table in this video. However, I will explain the whole process on how you can add a table on Adobe Acrobat. Now, let's dive into the topic again. Once you tap on Edit PDF, click on it, enabling editing option. Next, look for the Add Image option in the toolbar that appears. This is where you will get a little bit creative. Since Acrobat doesn't have a direct table feature, we will create one using a grid. Open a program like Microsoft Edge or Excel, create a table there and save it as an image. For example, I do have a sheet over here. You can copy it or take a screenshot and make an image and simply import it to the PDF that you want. Now, back in Adobe Acrobat, click on Add Image and select the image file of your table. Position the image where you want it in the document. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners to fit your layout perfectly. If you need to add more rows or columns later, you can always go back to your Word or the Excel file, access the table, save it, and replace the image in the Acrobat. And that's it. You have successfully added a table to your PDF. This method might take a little bit effort, but the result is well-organized document. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.